First law of thermodynamics. It states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed but can be changed from one form to another. Graham's law of diffusion. The rate of diffusion of a gas is inversely proportional to the square root of the density of the gas at the molar mass gas under the given conditions of temperature and pressure. Half-life period. Half-life period of a reaction is the time required to convert 50% of the reactants into products. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. It is not possible to measure simultaneously the exact position and momentum of an electron in an atom. Hess's law of constant heat. Summa ion. If a chemical change takes place by several different routes, the overall energy change is the same, regardless of the route by which the chemical change occurs, provided the initial and final conditions are the same. Hund's rule. If degenerate orbitals are available and more than one electrons are to be placed in them, they should be placed in separate orbitals with the same spin rather than putting them in the same orbital with opposite spins. Hybridization. Mixing of orbitals to form new orbitals with specific orientations. Hydration. The process in which water molecules surround and interact with solute molecules or ions is called hydration. Hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is the electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom, bonded to a small highly electronegative atom, and the electronegative atom of another molecule.